Essential oils have been used in aromatherapy to improve moods and health. But did you know it has so many benefits that you can add them directly in your DIY skincare routine? We've come up with some super amazing DIYs to relieve common skincare concerns. Lavender essential oil has one of the most soothing scents experienced by a person, and so has always been popular amongst essential oil users. One simple way you too can add this aromatic fragrance to your skincare routine is by adding a few drops of it to your daily moisturizer. Rub it in between your fingers and apply. This helps get rid of dry patches by gently moisturizing the skin and reduces the appearance of wrinkles on your face. Take a cotton pad and add a few drops of lavender essential oil and dab it over your pimples and acne. Enriched with antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties, this essential oil fights acne-causing bacteria. And so, this oil is a superstar for your skin. Tea tree oil is known to have many healing benefits, which is why it's becoming a very popular ingredient in the skincare industry. So if you have very oily or acne-prone skin, just use this DIY. Take 3 teaspoons of carrier oil of your choice, preferably coconut or olive oil, and add a few drops of tea tree essential oil to it. Apply the mix all over your face and massage gently. Now cover your face with a fresh warm cloth and leave it on for about 10 minutes. If you have inflamed skin after waxing or shaving, or have an ingrown hair problem, you can make this soothing DIY. Take some fresh aloe vera or aloe vera gel and add a few drops of tea tree oil to it. Mix well and then apply it on the affected areas. This not only calms your skin but also keeps it hydrated. A great skincare routine is about more than just your face. Feet care is essential too. So when you have extremely dry and itchy feet, quickly whip up this mask to pamper them. Take 2 cups of sugar and add half a cup of grapeseed oil and 10 to 12 drops of peppermint essential oil. Mix well and start exfoliating. Sugar acts as a good exfoliant while the fatty acids present in grapeseed oil promote moisture retention of the skin and tighten it. Peppermint essential oil relaxes tense muscles of the feet. Wash off and then moisturize your skin. Follow this routine twice every week for best results. On days when you run out of your makeup remover, you can make one with some simple ingredients from your beauty cabinet. All you need is water in a jar, 1 tablespoon of baby shampoo, 1 tablespoon of baby oil, and a few drops of frankincense oil and mix well. This essential oil is generally used cosmetically to clear out skin discoloration and reduce the appearance of wrinkles. Take another jar and put the cotton pads in, and pour the pre-made mixture over the pads to soak them in the formulation. You can pour the excess mixture back into another jar or choose to leave it in. Your at-home makeup remover is ready. Just take a cotton pad and start using it to remove your makeup. These wipes are great for everyday use and even work on stubborn makeup. Now we've seen the benefits of essential oils on our skin. But did you know that they can help whiten nails and soften hands too? Take 1 teaspoon of salt, add 1 teaspoon of sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking soda, 2 teaspoons of olive oil, and a few drops of orange essential oil too. You can add a drop of food coloring if you like. Mix the ingredients well and place it in a silicone mold to set. While sugar and salt are exfoliators, baking soda softens hands and is a binding agent for the manicure balm. Orange essential oil, on the other hand, acts as a disinfectant for our hands, and olive oil keeps the hands moisturized. Once the manicure balm is set, take a piece and put it in a bowl of water. Now soak your hands in it for about 15 minutes and voila! So now that you know the different ways to incorporate some of these popular essential oils into your skincare routine, these natural recipes will definitely keep it healthy and glowing. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.